Okay, on to question or exercise 12-8. White Pear Inc., an organic soap manufacturer, showed the following equity information as of December 31st, 2020. We're given the information here, other information, preferred shares sold for an average price of $36, the common shares sold for an average price of $14.20, retained earnings at December 31st, 2019 was $192,000. During 2020, profit earned was $1,728,000. The board of directors declared a cash dividend of $540,000. We have to calculate all these missing numbers. All right, so we'll start with A. We need to get the value of the preferred shares. Well, we know there were 75,000 shares issued and outstanding, and they had sold for an average price of $36. So 36 times 75,000 shares, 2.7 million. There we go. To calculate B, well, we know that A plus B equals 6,250,000. So since we have the value of A, we can just calculate the value of B at 3,550,000. Then we move on to C, which is retained earnings. Well, retained earnings the year before was $192,000. We know profit, and so we know we add the profit, and then we know the dividend, which gets subtracted. So therefore, your profit, your balance the year before, plus your current year profits minus the dividends that were declared that year, we have the value of our retained earnings. Then we're looking at total equity, which again is easily just the 6,250 plus, which is the contributed capital, plus retained earnings will give us our total equity. Then E, over here, the number of shares issued and outstanding. Well, we know the value is 3,550,000. We know the average price was $14.20. So if you divide the value by the price, we'll get the number of shares at 250,000. And yes, that is it for that question.